Hello everyone, ready to make the switch from a physical SIM to an eSIM with Ultra Mobile? It's fast, simple, and convenient. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To transfer your Ultra Mobile physical SIM to an eSIM, request an eSIM through the Ultra Mobile app and scan the QR code received via email in your device's settings. Once activated, your service will be switched to the eSIM. Step 1. Check your new phone's compatibility. If you are bringing your own phone, make sure your phone is compatible Ultra Mobile network. To check your phone's compatibility, visit Ultra Mobile compatibility check page and enter device's IMEI to check and click Check phone. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Find IMEI number. On iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed. On Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Alternatively, you can dial *#06# on the phone app to display the IMEI. Step 2. Check new phone eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatibility check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click Check Compatibility button, select your device's brand and model. Click Check button. If it is not compatible, you cannot install the eSIM. Step 3. Carrier Unlock Status New Phone. For iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the Network Provider lock screen. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it indicates any restrictions, the phone is carrier locked. For Android, open the settings, then go to network and internet or connection, then go to mobile network, then network operator or choose network, turn off select automatically. If you see a list of available networks, your phone is unlocked. If only your current carrier's network appears, it is likely locked. Step 4. Request for eSIM. Open Ultra Mobile app and log in. Go to Accounts, click Order Replacement SIM, click Switch to eSIM. The QR code will be sent to your registered mail ID. Step 5. Install eSIM. If you have selected the eSIM, the QR code link will be sent to your registered mail ID. Open the email containing the QR code and scan it using the device that will have the Ultra service. Install eSIM on iPhone. Go to Settings, then Cellular, tap on Add Cellular Plan. Alternatively, you can simply open the camera app to scan the code. Select Scan the QR code provided by your eSIM carrier. Choose a label for your eSIM for easy identification. Under the default line settings, select your eSIM for cellular data. Go to Settings, then Cellular, tap on Add Cellular Plan. Alternatively, you can simply open the camera app to scan the code. Select Enter Detail manually and input the SMDP Plus address and activation code. Choose a label for your eSIM for easy identification. Under the default line settings, select your eSIM for cellular data. Install eSIM on Android. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to Mobile Network, tap on Add Mobile Plan. Use QR code or manual entry. Scan the QR code provided by your eSIM carrier. Choose a label for easy identification. Ensure your eSIM is set as the default line for mobile data. For manual activation, you can also select Enter Details manually under the camera screen. Input the necessary activation information.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.